Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be just doing a nice simple makeup look with you guys, so I wanted to share with you how I normally do it. So first off, I'm going to apply some concealer under my eyes and even up on my lids. I'm using this instead of primer, and I'm just going to blend that in. This is also a great way to ensure that later on your mascara isn't going to fall down your face or your eyeshadow. Then I'm going to also apply my regular powder foundation. I'm going to apply a quick lip color here. This is just easy to put on. And this is the Melting Pot liquid lipstick from CoverGirl. For my eyes now, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm also going to define my brows, add a little bit more darkness to my scar here, make them a little more full, and I'm going to apply a very light color of eyeshadow as well, and the key is just to make it look very natural. I'm also applying some eyeliner, and I'm going to extend it out a little bit and clean up any lines. And now I'm lastly going to apply my mascara. And that is the look. It is all complete now. You can definitely add more contouring if you want, or add additional, more color to your lids, but this is just the simple look that I use just to look polished and also have a little bit of makeup, but not too much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do give it a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!